Hello and welcome to the course Creating Registration and Login System. Here in this video I am going to take you through the demo of the registration and login process. Here I am registering a user. If the user already exists, it will display an error message, that is Ajax username checking, username and email. It works for both of this, and if the email exists it will display an error message and user can enter different email available, so user can sign up with this email and mobile number, password and repeat password, and also Google reCAPTCHA. We are going to learn about all these steps, all these features step by step. Register, user registered, added user's meta information and added user registration log entry, activation email sent, and user has to click on the verification link that we have sent to the user's email. Then only user account will be activated, otherwise user won't be able to log in. For clicking on this link, you can customize the email, account exists and account activated successfully. All these things are done. Activation email sent, account activated. Your account activated, please log in. User can log in into the account with the login credentials that is submitted while signing up. Here user can use username or email, logging in with the password. User can update the profile from edit profile page, username and first name, last name, gender, age, and user can choose the profile pic. And all this information can be accessed from the front end, that is from profile page based on the username. That's a clean URL and bio, Facebook link, user's bio and a Facebook link. Here I am entering as a facebook.com and a Twitter profile, twitter.com, complete URL. You have to enter the complete URL for all this, and blog, website. If you want to update the password, you should enter the password, repeat password and confirm password. File uploaded successfully and profile updated. If I check it in front end, that is username is Wake1, so it's not displaying any information. By default I have permission system. You will learn all these things. I am just enabling all of this. By default it's disabled. Update permissions. Here you can see all this information is being displayed, and if I access another user, it's admin user. For admin we have different privileges, and you will know about all these roles while developing the application. I am logging in as admin. Here you can see admin menu, and you can update single preferences and this information will be displayed. Presently not displaying first name and last name. For updating, it's displaying all this information, and you can hide any of these social media links with the permissions, that is user preferences. This is for the user one, Vivek1, and previous user is the admin. So you can see the admin navigational menu in the login portal. Here I don't want to display LinkedIn, so this LinkedIn button will be hidden. You can see you will learn all these things, and there are a lot of other hidden features. You are going to learn about all this, and reset password functionality also. You can reset with a username or email, and you can log in with username or email also. You will learn all this, and email is sent. It should be there in a couple of seconds. Here it is, and I am using SendGrid SMTP service, and it's a username and an email ID. I am going to update the password. You are going to learn all this step by step. Change password. Now we can update. Now we can log in into the system. Here user will receive the password update email notification with the new password. These are the features you are going to learn in this course. Take action and join the course.